What is a budget deficit? According to Big Indonesian Dictionary, a deficit is a shortage in the budget. A budget deficit occurs when the government spends more than the income it receives, one of which is from taxes within a certain time. A budget deficit occurs when the government spends more than it receives, one of them from taxes within a certain period of time.
Factors affecting the budget deficit. The budget deficit can be caused by expenditure due to crisis, expenditure due to inflation, weakening of the exchange rate, realization that deviates from the plan, accelerates economic growth, and equitable distribution of people's income. The occurrence of the budget deficit can be covered by borrowing domestic debt and foreign debt. With the existence of debt loans from domestic and abroad, it is expect to spur economic growth in accordance with the previously planned targets. However, this debt can also cause problems because both domestic and foreign debts require repayment, which of course will reduce various sources of state finance. Interest rates can also affect the budget deficit when the government finances domestic debt through government securities SDN, either in the form of SAN or SBSN. If there is an increase in interest rate, interest payments or loans to SBN issued will also increase. This can cause the burden on the state budget to increase.
The impact of the budget deficit. The budget deficit can disrupt macroeconomic variables. The impact can be on interest rates, balance of payments, inflation, consumption and savings, unemployment, and economic growth. The simple explanation is that a state of deficit means a lack of state financing. To meet the needs of the community, the government requires additional capital. That is, the demand for money increases and the impact of interest rate rise. From here, the balance of payments also increases due to the rising interest rates. Domestic exchange rate will fall. The impact is to business world. If investment enthusiasm weakens, the impact is that the unemployment rate will rise. On the other hand, price will tend to rise because expansionary countries spend money. A budget deficit can reduce people's real income. As a result, the level of consumption and savings also weaken. All of this makes it difficult for the economy to grow high. However, on the other hand, the budget deficit has a positive impact, such as during this pandemic. Increasing the budget deficit during the current pandemic is a good thing and is indeed needed by Indonesia. One way is like government loan. An increase in the budget deficit because things like this have a positive impact. Namely, it can foster economic growth that allows tax revenues to increase compared to before, public consumption improves, business actors can continue to run their business in a new way that adapts to the current pandemic conditions, so that a deficit that exceeds the provisions can then be reduced. Overcome, we can see the realization of this increase in the budget deficit in the context of the social safety net program.
Budget deficit and government debt during COVID-19. The economic recovery opened the opportunity for next year's budget deficit to be returned to below 3% of gross domestic product. The budget deficit is only 1.76% of GDP. The budget deficit would need to 5.7% of GDP. Deficit would need again to 6.34% of GDP. Compared to the 2020 state budget before the advancement, the revenue target in the second advancement of the 2020 state budget is significant by 23.9%, while the expenditure budget increased by 7.8%. The relation of state revenue at the end of 2020 was only 96.6%, while the relation of state spending was 4.8% of this amount. The budget for handling COVID-19 and national economic recovery is 83.4% of the saving. The budget deficit was recorded at 94.7 trillion or 5.78% of GDP. This relation figure is below the target of 6.4% in the 2021 APBN. The budget deficit is set at 5.7% of GDP, down from the previous years. The figure is 114.7% of the target. The relation of the expenditure budget 101.3%. The budget deficit can be reduced to be 4.65% of GDP, lower than the previous years and the 2021 plan program. The provisional relation figure 658.6% trillion or 8.43% of the salary.
Government policy and dealing with budget deficit. Some example of the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the Indonesia economic are slowing economic growth by 2.9% in the first quarter of 2020 and increasing poverty rate, especially on the island of Java by 0.37 basis point or equivalent to 1.28 million new poor people. However, the government has taken strategic steps in overcoming all of this, such a budget relocation with saving or IDR 119 trillion and relocation of the budget of IDR 15.5 trillion and budget priority for handle COVID-19 to the local government. In addition to budget relocation, the government also profit stimuli and extending the domestic economic. This stimulus is divided into three stages, namely stimulus 1 of 8.5 trillion to strengthen the domestic economic through government spending. Stimulus 2 of IDR 22.5 trillion to maintain people for purchasing power. Profit cost of export and import. With stimulus 3 of IDR 405.1 trillion. For healthy support, providing cash assistance to underprivileged community and support for impact company. In addition, there was also addition cost for IDR 695.2 trillion, which was accounted for the healthy of IDR 187.16 trillion and national economic recovery of IDR 607.165 trillion. In addition to budget relocation and stimulus, the government also makes monetary and financial related policy. In the monetary sector, the government has implemented a policy of reduced BI's benchmark interest rate, lowering the minimum reserve recovery GMW, but for Rupiah and foreign currencies, extended the tenor of government security CBN. Meanwhile, from the financial side, the government has expanded asking for credit financing, funding recommends for MIS and province credit payment release for MIS and MIS.
Budget growth trend for 2018 until 2022. In 2018, Indonesia economic growth reached 5.2% with a deficit of 269.4 trillion rupiah and a deficit to GDP of 1.182%. Then in 2019, the country's economic growth decreased at 5.0% with an increase in the deficit to 348.7 trillion rupiah and a deficit to GDP of 2.20%. In 2020, Indonesia economic growth fell drastically to 2.10% with a high deficit of 947.7 trillion rupiah and a deficit to GDP of 6.14%. In 2021, Indonesia economic growth will rise again at 3.7%, but with a high deficit of 961.5 trillion rupiah and its deficit to GDP is 5.82%. In this year, namely 2022, the country's economic growth has increased to 5.0% with a deficit of 868 trillion rupiah and its deficit to GDP stands at 4.85%.